What up, everybody? Freaking, it's raining today. As you can see, it's been raining all day, so I thought it'd be a good day to pull out the Z and have some fun since the parking lot won't get all marked up. Freaking took me a minute to get it out because it was parked right there. I don't have the keys for that, so I had to maneuver it through there and avoid the sensor and everything. Tight ass fit, but we made it work. But yeah, since it's raining, it's not gonna mark up the parking lot too bad. Figure we have some fun. I'll wear my helmet so we can get some inside shots this time. And yeah, there's a couple spots I want to try and slide. So let's get into it, man. It's gonna be good. Oh, also, I'm filming by myself. I ain't got nobody here because my brother and my dad went to Oregon because my brother's picking up his dream bike. So that's gonna be the next video. Stay tuned for that one. It's gonna be sick. So hyped. It's not even my bike and I'm hyped. So let's go have some fun, man. Alright, so the only shitty part about the Z right now is both the window motors don't work, so my door's seat's gonna get soaked. But yeah, let's have some fun, man. Holy shit, it is super slick. I forgot to point out that my tires are pretty goddamn bald from the last event. So it's real slick. Probably should be easy, not going anything too crazy. Yeah, it is slick, boy. Holy shit. Yeah, dude, I don't know if I could do it today. It is super slick. It's good practice though. I guess we could try for some threes today. Try some 360s. It is super slick, man. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude. It is stupid slick. Oh my god, dude. This is slicker than the rain events and the drift events, dude. This pavement is so slick. So I love busting this one right here because it's on an angle, but I can't ever drive over here because I'm not allowed to mark out the business property. But since it's raining, man, we'll give it a quick shot, quick go. I'd like to put it on the tripod too. There's a couple spots I'd like to get some tripod shots, but God, that's so fun coming down that downhill, bro. God dang. Oh man, it's too slick to even try it, bro. God damn it. Just trying to go for the three. Let's try some threes. Never done a three yet, so it's just gonna be hard to get it to stop if I lose it. Ah, dang. It's hard. Let's try something a little different. Damn, dude, this is hard. 360s are hard. My thought I'd get it like first try, but especially with the speed as slick as it is. Oh, we almost had it. Dude, it's too fucking slick, bro. God damn. Ah, so close. I think I need to be on the gas and I'm bringing it back around. That might be the problem. I was just thinking, since it's so slick, I thought I'd just whip right around, you know? Nope. Damn, it lit him up though. Maybe I need to be on the gas the entire time. Oh shit, bro. Kinda got it that time. It's just kind of scary flipping like that, going that fast. Fences around and shit. Always wanted to try some threes though, man. This is cool. Ah, damn, dude. Just gotta get the whip a little bit better. Ah, damn, dude, it is hard. Fuck it, I gave up. Damn, bro. Oh shit, I left my basement door open. Genius. God damn, dude. Why is this so hard? I just want to whip a three, bro. Shit. Dude, it is too fucking slick to even try to do anything. Dude, it really is just too slick to try anything. This is like the slickest parking lot in the world right now. Wanted to try that for a long time. Just today's really sketchy condition. Probably be better to do it in the dry. Yeesh. There we go, that was fucking sweet. Nailed it that time. Hell yeah. I'm gonna put it on the tripod and get a shot of that. That's pretty sick, man. Wanted to hit that for a long time. It's just sketchy. Oh man, that was sick. That last one, I hung that whole freaking bench around my yard up that curve. It was badass. Should have done that with the helmet on, but fuck it. I'm gonna try and set it up a couple more spots I want to hit real quick, and then I'll put you back on the helmet. There's a car sitting over there. They'll probably call the police, but we'll hit it once or twice. There we go. shit. Woo! We in. Oh, I shut my freaking seatbelt in the door. All right. I just got one more spot I want to hit, and then we'll throw it back on the camera. Back on the helmet. If it was dry, I'd full send it, but the parking lot's so bumpy, it's so slick, it'd be so easy to just lose it and shoot into one of these curbs with the grass or fucking one of those poles or something. So yeah, just take it, better safe than sorry. I just wanted to take the time to mark up, you know, have some fun in the parking lot when I don't have to worry about leaving a bunch of marks and getting in trouble. Because I'm allowed to play in the employee parking lot, but not the customer parking lots. That's what those ones were. But yeah, I didn't leave any marks. It was good, man. It's good fun. Good fun. Sun's coming out. Maybe we'll do a burnout in my driveway. Who knows? Well, since the sun's coming out, figured it might make a good shot. Damn, dude. It's freaking May. The mountains got painted in snow. Holy shit. It is chilly today. Anyway, since the sun's coming out, I thought I'd do a little donut shot down here real quick. Thought it'd look cool in the rain. Getting filthy, man. Holy shit. Well, the fuel light just came on, so fun's about over. This car's not registered and I don't want to risk driving it to the gas station because I only got one headlight, so yeah, we'll call it good. Damn, dude, it's so slick. It doesn't want to fucking grip, and then it grips up all of a sudden. You're like, shit. Fun stuff though, man. Man, that was fun, huh? Alright, let's do something sick and then we'll put the car away. Yeah. Every driveway needs some black marks. Yeah, let's just shave the rubber real quick. Holy shit. It's insane. You see all, I don't know if you guys saw the smoke after I left, but it came up, man. These tires are so bald. They're starting to thread from, yeah, they were already threading from the last event. So that's good though. I wanted to finish them off because ISS 2-day event. It's the next event at the end of the month. And my other 2 sets of rims already got tires on them, so I wanted to finish these off so I can mount some freshies on them, go up there with 3 fresh sets. So it's a good time, good way to finish some tires off, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm gonna go take the car, put it away, probably clean it because it is freaking filthy. But yeah, Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Support your boy, and until next time, man. Probably this week we're gonna go on a ride to Idaho, because I told you my brother's picking up his dream bike. I'm not telling you what it is yet. You're gonna have to tune into that episode, but it is something nice, man. Until next time, guys.
You guys are on KCYBC?
Yeah.